Hello everyone and welcome to the new channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows 11 in your Android phone without having any issues. So please watch the video till the end to install Windows 11 in your Android phone. Okay, so here we go. First of all, you need to download the following app from the Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, you just have to open the app and explore Windows 11. Okay, so guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a thumbs up. If you're having any issues by installing Windows 11, please let us know in the comments.